DTS enables a complete facially driven aesthetic planning workflow, from patient photographs and smile simulations to using the 2D plan as a guide for the final 3D design. Let's take a look at the complete workflow. Start by uploading the patient's jaw scans. DTS 3D is a completely open system designed to seamlessly accept scan files from virtually all scanners and file formats. Patient photographs and 2D smile simulations guide and help visualize the entire 3D design process. DTS offers multiple natural teeth libraries, with each 2D smile simulation linked to a corresponding 3D tooth library. The Smart Design screen is optimized for fast, simple, and intuitive positioning of tooth shells. We can instantly visualize and compare different tooth shape options during the design process. Sculpting tools help refine and customize the final 3D design. The Smart Veneer function enables one-click sculpting of veneer shells in seconds. The mock-up designs can be exported either as a single-unit snap-on smile or as individual 3D printable veneers. Alternatively, a printable wax-up model can be created directly using the built-in model builder. DTS 3D simplifies workflows for trial smiles, 3D printed veneers, temporary crowns, full mouth wax-ups, and more. Unlimited STL exports and complete design freedom, all for less than the cost of a single veneer.